If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
Always be careful, don't be crying to spend your money. Always be thankful, like if I be gone even if you no get it, never forget to say, Papa, I thank you. Oluwa na go there. Baba, I thank you. Chineke na go there. He not supposed to like you. He's supposed to buy. He never supposed to mama. He's supposed to mama. He's supposed to make a more. I'll never forget you. Say no be by mighty. Always be thankful. Oluwa na go there. Spending your money, but always be thankful. Makanifa di goma, even if you no get it, never forget to say, Baba, thank you. Oluwa na go there. If you to get it, never forget to say, Baba, thank you. Chineke na go there. Popo rose, no more enemy, Popo champagne. No more complaining. If you live it for lucky or you live it for cheetah, oh, making the pop anything. I know I'm not popping. Nothing Versace, oh, nothing Ferrari, oh, nothing Bugatti, oh. You going higher, oh. We're getting better. This is my day. Even if you no get it, never forget to say bye. Thank you. But there is power in giving praise to King of Kings and Lord of Lords, Yahweh himself, even when you don't have, even when it's difficult, even in that difficult situation. Giving praise to the mighty one, Yotago, elevates you beyond that. It is what it is. Can they fight me without Chukwu Kikabiama, Chukwu Keligwenowa? There is no way we can go about it. Yotago. And this is how I welcome you to this particular edition of Birthday Splash. Nebona, they write about Ketafo because I got fat bottle Ketafo. Yes, Olugo Kone Luna born at the 103.5 FM. And we have new songs to sing to the Most High King of Kings and Lord of Lords. Mother si ekwenswage meriono na Simba. It is what it is. Mezi somebody ju wee gozia ebe ọ na-adị anatago. Ebe ọ na-adị anatago. Yotago. It's about time. Ebe ọ na-adị 103.5 FM. Ọkwanụ mụ nwa ka a na-akpọ metal. It's about to unfold right about kita afọ. And it is birthday splash Nebona the 103.5 FM. Kedu ka ị ga-esi wee malụ na Chineke bụ ya kele mmiri on a very good day and not science. Nke ikpeazụ a, you know, a lot of scientists achịnye aka sisi lapụli ya chukwu n'ọnya nwajie shagharịa ya n'ọnya nwe ife niile when it comes to creation everything n'ọnya nwe. Otu ga-esi wee malụ n'ọnya kele ihe niile bụ that the recipe for, you know, water bụ H2O. And it is very simple n'anya, but mmadụ na-emenwu mmiri n'isi onwefa. There is nobody. Ọsọsọ nya bụ Chukwu okike abịa ma. Isaiah 49, where saying that he has made my mouth like a sharp sword. In the shadow of his hand, he has hidden me and made me a polished shaft. In his quiver, he has hidden me, and he said to me, and you are my servant, O Israel, in whom I will be glorified. Glorify the name of the King of Kings and Lord of Lords for making it possible for us to see this beautiful day today, the 3rd day of October 2024. Up on Thursday, being a throwback Thursday. Yotago, we are going to have fun, all our fun on this particular edition of Birthday Splash Nebona at the 103.5 FM. Before I begin to bring you into the Yap October session, Kosi Adi on a very good day. Onwere onye jụrụ ajụjụ si why eji ajụ ndị na-eti ọkpọ ajụjụ immediately fatisili ọkpọ. Nye etigide mmadụ ọkpọ tilisie anya ebia wọlụ mic debia n'ọnụ na-asị how do you feel? How do you see this fight? Ka ị chọọ ya agwa gị. And I expect ka dimkpa mmadụ nọ ebe a bebe akwa. Ihe oti m n'anya agba m ref mgba ihe tago. A lot is happening. Na nke ikpeazụ a Pope, you know, Pope Francis hosted top comedians, none at the world as a whole, and he made, you know, a very important, you know, announcement there. You know, he also made this prayer about us, you know, that God should give him, you know, a sense of humor. Not the very important. That's the way we survive, you know, with that sense of humor. When we can laugh at ourselves, laugh at our situation, you know, we get better as a people. We can see, you know, another way around it. We can, you know, survive with that hope of a better day. Mbohos to these top comedians, he told them that 40 years that he prayed with the word of Saint Thomas that says, Lord, give me sense of humor. You know, he said he did it before proceeding to meet with the world leaders at G5 meeting. G5 meeting. So sense of humor matters a lot. Yes, this is Birthday Splash Nebona at the 103.5 FM, and what we do right here is to celebrate you, celebrate the people around you. You know what it is. Get involved. All you have to do is send SMS and WhatsApp messages on 08065796599 with name and number of the person you want to celebrate, and it is celebration galore up in here right about now. Akoko Otipoju. We have a lot of people to celebrate this morning. And when Dike celebrate this morning, and we are going to start off with the first person, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, you know, born October 3rd, 1981, now Sweden. He is a Swedish football player. So we celebrate him this morning, and I see again, happy birthday. It is happening right about now. Today is also the birthday of Tessa Thompson, October 3rd, born October 3rd, 1983 in Los Angeles. She is an American actress. And I say again, happy birthday. And this is to remind you that this party right here is yours. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-6579-6599. Yes, it's happening. And the next person I need celebrating Ototo Awebu, Ju and Stephanie. She is an American singer, songwriter, born October 3rd, 1969, in a place called Fullerton. And I see again this morning, happy birthday. Yes, all the good coast out there this morning. Yes, today is also the birthday of Oga Rihanna. Onye most Nigerians, most especially in the Igbo, decide to go.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebeonadi 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebeonadi 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.